What's up everyone, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to hold a mobile phone steady. 2 days back, I did a video about how to hold a DSLR steady and tight. But today, it's all about mobile phone. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanyu. See, I have seen many people holding the phone in one hand and like this, like that. See, I'm not a huge fan of that. See, photography is all about breaking the rules. So you can go for that method, this method, X or Y, whatever it is. It's all up to you and no one will force to do that method, this method and all. And I have two methods to hold your phone steady and tight. The first method is just like this, hold your phone on two hands and take your photo. Not your photo. If you're taking, for example, if you're taking a group photo, you can use this method. And if you're taking a landscape photo, this method will be also very useful. And second method is same like holding a DSLR. And I often use that method to take photos using a mobile phone. See, it is like this. It will give you a perfect shot, also steady and tight, because I feel it very comfortable and it also avoids some kind of shake if we are taking photos using single-handed. Even right now I can see my hand is shaking. So when I import this photo into my laptop and I zoom in that photo, I can see little blurry on that image. That's why I'm not using single-handed to take a photo. I use like this or like this. Okay guys, this is just a quick tip. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification from all of my videos so that we will keep in touch. And that's all for today's video. Cheers guys. I'll see you in the next video.